Is your dining room missing that wow factor? What if you could transform it into a dazzling space? If you're into designing spaces or even planning to give your dining room a fresh new look, then this is for you. We've got the best design ideas, guides, and tips coming up, so keep watching. Welcome to Improvement Burst. In today's video, we're going to show you how to make your dining room even better. No matter if it's small or big, we've got tips for you. Let's dive into some cool designs. We're going to check out different parts of a dining room. We'll see what makes them special and how they all work together to create a great space. So, get ready to explore and learn some fun and easy design ideas. Let's get started. The choice of flooring can significantly impact the overall aesthetics and practicality of a room. Wood tile flooring provides a warm, natural, and sophisticated look. It can also be used in modern design to create contrast or provide a hint of classic style. Wood comes in various tones and patterns, enabling you to create a unique design. Gloss tiles, on the other hand, lend a sleek, contemporary feel. They're especially suited to minimalist or modern designs. Tiles can also be more resistant to spills and easier to clean, which is an important consideration for a dining room. They can, however, feel cold or hard underfoot. Wall paint. Beige is a neutral color that can create a warm, inviting atmosphere. It pairs well with many other colors, making it versatile for various design styles, from traditional to modern. White is clean, minimalist, and opens up a room, making it appear larger. This color is a staple in modern design and can help make the dining room feel bright and airy. Natural ventilation. A window in a dining room not only provides natural ventilation, but also allows for a lot of natural light, which can enhance the aesthetic appeal of the space. It can make the dining area feel more open, and if there's a good view, it can act as a natural focal point. Lighting is a critical element of design in any room. For dining rooms, layered lighting is often a good approach. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination, while task lighting can be used for specific areas, such as highlighting the dining table. Accent lighting can highlight specific design elements, such as artwork or architectural features. Modern lighting fixtures themselves can also serve as design elements, adding to the aesthetic appeal of the room. Wall accents. These can add texture, color, and interest to a dining room. In modern design, less is often more, so a single large piece of artwork or a mirror can be a great choice. The dining table is often the centerpiece of the room. In modern design, you might see large, sturdy tables that make a statement. These could be made from materials like glass, metal, or wood. The shape is also important. Round tables foster conversation, while rectangular ones can accommodate more people. Chairs should complement the table, but they don't necessarily need to match perfectly. In fact, mixing and matching chairs is a modern trend. Comfort is key, but the design of the chairs also plays a big role in the overall aesthetic of the room. Clean lines and minimalist design are hallmarks of modern style. If you are interested in creating a similar look in your own homes, we've provided links to similar products in the description box. If you've enjoyed this journey and found our tips useful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below.